Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20 having Chrysler 300 that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you have problem with the mass airflow sensor, also known as MAF sensor, you want to see which fuses, relays control the MAF sensor, we'll explain that in this video today. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts at tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put that information in the video, guys. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff, guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, MAF sensor, for any of you that want to see how to test MAF sensor, okay, that's a mass airflow sensor. We'll have multiple videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that step by step. Today we'll be working two fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the hood, and once you guys open the hood, here on the passenger side next to the engine, okay, it doesn't matter if you have a V6, V8, you have a fuse box. Press the two tabs here together, open it, and you have that layout here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here is what we need to check. We need to check multiple fuses, relays. Those are for engine management. There is very limited information, but we recommend to check these, guys. And the first fuse that you need to check, starting on this side, that's, even if you have a missing fuse, you count the spot, that's 28, 29, 30, 31. Fuse 31 needs to be checked. Then you need to, guys, check fuse number 34 and 35. Then you go to fuse 37 right here. You need to check that as well. Then you need to check relay 63 right here. And after that you need to open the trunk. Here, leave the carpet liner up on the back side. Underneath is the spare tire, the battery, and here is the fuse box. That's a closer look. Press the tabs together here, pull the cover out, and you have that layout here, guys. What do we need to check now here, guys? We need to check two more relays. One of them is relay 29, and you need to check relay 14 if you have it right here. Those will be the main things that you need to check on your Chrysler 300. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays. That's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind. Keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.